What's up, guys? Just gonna do a quick little unboxing on some Travis Scott ones that I received from Mr. Who. I ordered them about a month ago, so let's give it a go. So I placed an order yesterday, and it was supposed to be in today, so I was assuming that's what it was for my shoe care stuff, and it ended up being Mr. Who. So I already started unboxing just the beginning till I seen the Nike box. Box is a little dented, unfortunately. That sucks. Some really thorough, important instructions. Make sure you guys read those, alright? Some nice paper. Wow, look at that. 4 laces. We got cream, we got red, we got dark brown, and we got pink. Nice. Here it is. Suede's got a nice feeling to it. It's kind of buttery. So I ordered a size and a half up, but then I seen people saying that you should be going a size and a half down, so that kind of sucks. Oh, and there's black laces currently in here. So we have, what was that? 5 pairs of laces. Kind of absurd. That material is like really soft. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but that feels like insanely soft. I don't know, that's kind of weird. Why would it go all the way through like that? It's kind of sketchy. You see right through the tongue. Everything looks pretty good so far. We got Velcro. I don't know what's the point of that. I think people like stash coins and stuff in there. They're change for some reason. Still not too bad. It's not going, so I actually have a brass brush that I'll hit that with. If not my brass brush, I'll hit it with a stiff brush. And yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I don't really know what the callouts are and what to look for, so I can't really compare or help you guys that way. I like the tumbled leather here, and then the exact same tumbled leather here. I know on some reps you'll get like really tumbled on one side and then half tumbled on the other side, and it's just really not nice. But yeah, I mean, they feel extremely soft, which is nice. Once I hit that and re-nap that suede, they'll look pretty solid. I do not know what color, what finish this is supposed to be, but I do have finishers, so that'll be no problem if I need to change, if it needs to be shiny, if it needs to be more matte. That's pretty matte to me there. Not as matte as the white leather, but it's matte. Alright, so those are the laces. Let's pull out one of the sock liners here. Or, yeah, let's pull this out. So the glue goes 75% up, and it wasn't even really glued in, to be honest. We got some thread there. Ooh, it's actually really nice and soft in there. Not bad. But yeah, that came out like without ease. I don't even know why there's glue on there. The glue didn't do anything. It's funny. Maybe so many people replace them so they don't even bother. But then why even have glue lines on it? Side by side. They look the same height. Those look the same to me. Still nice and soft. This is like so thin though. And it's like they glued it onto the inside foam. It's like so thin. I feel like I would worry about that possibly ripping or getting ruined. But I mean, at least it's against your foot, right? Nice and soft. So it shouldn't be that bad. And this is from Mr. Who. Quality is nice. The swooshes, I think they're in the same spot. People always say that they could be moved and all over the place anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Compare the swooshes. Looks fairly good to me. I mean, I have no complaints. I'm happy with my order. There's not really much to talk about. I'm just letting you guys look at the shoes while I look at them and get my first impressions. So what we will do is I have a black light, okay? And I have a really strong black light. So that's all like just the little dust on it. I'm not really seeing anything out of the ordinary. Right there, though. You know what? This light's too strong for my camera. Maybe that'll help you guys out. Put it really far away now. Anyways, there is some discoloration on the cream sole. It is a little bit white in one spot. I'm gonna put that off to the side because I don't know if it's gonna look like that regularly in the regular light. And it's just a quick run through. Okay, right there, if you guys can see that. Of course, a little bit, you can see it like that when I have it off, but right here on the swoosh, can you see that? Anyways, there is lines that were not cleaned up. Oh, over here too, you see the big dots there. See that? See them? So if you are like legit checking and you're buying these off of somebody, I don't know if they're supposed to be like that, and then there's lines right here, which is weird. See that? Sorry, the camera doesn't pick it up good, but I can see it clear as day in person. It's on both tongues. So besides the tongues, the little bit of marks by the swooshes there, and that seems about it for the most part. And that part on the sole there, this sole is fine. And this is just for the legit checkers. So that spot was like right here. You guys probably can't see that, but right here, but you can't see it regularly. So actually, there is a little bit of a sheen to it. There's a little bit of a clear, but you're not gonna, Basically, if you're gonna buy these and you think somebody's got a fake, I would just hit them with a blue light. You're gonna see those marks. These are Mr. Who's, and I've seen people say that there's no marks on them, but I just seen them clear as day. I also do not have a regular black light though. These are 365s, not 395s. So they're filtered black lights, so you can see a lot better. They're maybe double the price of a regular black light. I'm gonna do a little bit of a giveaway. These are like the first customs that I've ever made right here. And we're gonna do a giveaway on them. I do not know how durable and how much they're gonna hold up. But yeah, I did them for like last Easter, I believe. And there's a lot of detail in there, if you can see. I went in and I did all the white lines all around every single panel, over all the thread. These took forever. Now these are 7 Youth. And I tried to mix match them. So the color combinations are all over the place. But yeah, 7 Youth. All you have to do is like this video, like my next video. It's going to be custom Jordan 1s. They're going to be pink glitter. And subscribe, obviously. And I will be seeing if you subscribed. I want to at least gain like, I don't know, maybe like 50 to 100 more subscribers. I'll probably do the draw the end of August, for sure. At the end of August, I'll do the draw, and I'll ship these out to you. Obviously, we'll go over like shipping. If you live in like Kenya or something, it's gonna cost me like $500 or $1,000 to ship or something absurd like that. Might have to do something else for you. So comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.